Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C120 mounting and installation. Out of the box, it comes with everything that you need. You see here some screws and anchors, and then also a template that you can use to install this metallic plate. So that's the one that you're gonna use with your camera because the camera has a magnetic base. Let me just show you here. There we go. So this metallic plate is used to stick to your camera. Okay, so use the screws and anchors that comes with the product, or you can use this sticker. Stick this somewhere, and then you put it that way and put your camera here. Okay, so super simple. Here's the template, so you can use to drill a hole. So just go there to a wall, drill a hole using the template, put the metallic base there, install your camera, and you're good to go. You can also stick this to a window, a metallic window, or even to a refrigerator or anything that's metallic, right? So here is the quick start guide. You see the information, a metallic surface that you can just stick your camera to. And here also using the sticker and drilling the hole here. So super simple, okay? Magnetic base and a metallic plate or surface, and you're good to go. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.